So let's start. So from today there will be the workshop. Each of the workshop will run 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours. The primary one is the technical part is the user story. We'll be getting it done today.
Okay.
Second primary is the knowing the tools like the Agile, ALM, Jira, and the DevOps agent. The person who knows one tool, so like driving one tool, you can use other tool. This will be teaching 3 tools. So that is second part. Third part is you have to know the API testing, because that will set you aside from other people. Yes, this is TS for his expectation. Most of the product owner, they do not know it, they don't care it. But my expectation is you will actually become a technical product owner. Okay, but we do not want to call it. We want to call it as a product owner. There is a reason. I will tell you details. So we'll go details later. The fourth is the main thing you are getting from the TS for you, the work environment. Means lead our team while we are under the hood. We're actually the prepare. You can do this way, do this way, do this, do that. So you are actually on job kind of the training. How about that? Right. So that is the most important part. So Amrita will be doing from tomorrow night, studying the sync up call, show and tell. Okay. And Kazi, you must join every sync up call, every show and tell just for listening. The first 5 minutes is very important. And then you can put on your ear, then you can do whatever you want because you are not doing the technical things. Okay. But the first 5 minutes and the last 5 minutes, or the first 10 minutes, last 5 minutes is critically important. Why? Because this is where you start, where you discuss what is going to cover and set up the expectation. What is the process and procedure? Last 5 minutes is recap, right? Recap means what has been covered, what is the action item. So it's very, very important. Good deal?